Yeah, we're doing a video for our Duralast locking fuel cap. We got it from, where you get it from?
Autozone. They say to discourage fuel theft. I just say to help me keep up with it better because I lost the last one that didn't have keys. So we figure this one will let us hold on to it a little bit more, you know?
Hey, so come on,
let's
guys.
go install.
Oh, guess what, guys?
Look at those apartment lights. They're so dim. Ours at our property will be way brighter than that.
Yeah.
We're at the Sticks and Bricks. Our last days at the apartment, last couple months. And then we're headed out to the countryside. Let's install this fuel tank. If you guys want to know more about that journey, it's on our YouTube channel. So this is so dark, but...
Is it dark?
It's nighttime. We just have those few lights out here.
Just to see, I was going to show them in the light here. Open it. You guys get to see up in person, you guys. I know they want them.
And it comes with 2 keys. And yeah, there's our whole super black in there. But it's missing the cap. And he's just going to screw that on. So pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah.
If you ever had a car. But if you have it, you just pull it out, take it out, screw it in tight until you hear a click, and it's on. And then you can take your key and lock it. Just turn it
off. Take it off like that. Put it on, turn it.
And you heard the click. It's on.
And lock it.
So
that's that simple, guys.
Duralast fuel cap.
And we'll
installed.
keep you updated. We'll let you know any comments, anything about it. Let us know. We'll tell you much about it. All right, y'all have a great day.